It's about 5:30 in the morning and I don't know why I'm whispering because I'm home alone. I'm trying out this new thing where I wake up extra early, head out to the skate park or a skate spot and get my skateboarding and filming done in about 2 hours. This just means I'll have more time in the day to edit my video, focus on work, and maintain somewhat of a social life. And by social life, I mean sitting at home, watching movies or playing video games. Warning, things are about to get very cheesy, but it's so damn early in the morning, I need something to pick me up.
Instead of going around down on yourself, feeling unattractive, too tall, too short, not enough of this, too much of that, no, dare to get up in the morning and say, I am a masterpiece.
When you start your day, you must own your morning.
When you wake up in the morning, say thank you for grace. Thank you for mercy. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for wisdom. Thank you for parents. Thank you for love. Thank you for kindness. Thank you for humility. Thank you for peace. Thank you for prosperity. Say thank you in advance for what's already yours. It's how I live my life. One of the reasons why I am today.
Welcome to my Learn To series, where I basically continuously attempt a new trick until I land it. Most of you guys have suggested I go for the 360 flip, aka the tray flip. It's not that I don't believe in myself, it's that I kind of feel like I skipped a step, an important one. I am almost embarrassed to say. I can't frontside shove, so thank you to the guys that suggested I learn it. Before I watch online tutorials, let's see what my current state is. Imagine I get it first try. Almost. So, according to skate gurus, I need to place my back foot on the inside pocket. Good placement for the pop shove, the ollie, and the front side shove. Let's get started. Just don't do anything with your front foot, just lift it up. If done properly, the front side shove looks pretty cool. Upon reflection, I realize I need to hop slightly backwards. Not bad at all, that man. Frontside shove is actually one of the fundamental tricks of skateboarding. It's the backbone to a lot of cool tricks like the hard flip. That was toe. Okay, I've actually read that it might be easier to land moving. So let's give that a shot. Another piece from my skateboard. Someone please sponsor me. Keep your shoulders straight. Stay parallel with the board. These reflections are getting distracting. Man, I'm so handsome. Jump higher. Lean back. Lean on me.
Yo, it's the truth. Once you look at it all, yo, united we stand, divided we fall, but there's a wall. Yo, there's still that separation, like a lack of love, or a minor hesitation. Mine is adjacent, well, homie, make it the facts, white or black.
My toe may have touched the ground. I went toe deep. So it wasn't as high as the other one. Consider this challenge complete. I just learned how to do a frontside shove. Thank you guys. So help me out again and name the next trick. No slide, maybe a hard flip. No, even better, fakie big spin. I know most of you want me to do the tray, but I'm not ready. Not yet, but I will be soon. So if you want to keep updated, you can subscribe. Totally up to you. Anyways, it's been fun. I'll see you on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday.